The Air MB-339 is a tandem two-seat trainer and ground attack aircraft based on the K model of the MB-326. The forward fuselage has been reshaped, the cockpit improved, and the aircraft's electronics uprated. 100 have been ordered by the Italian Air Force. The Antonov AN-32 Klein short to medium range transport is specially designed for operations from high temperature or high altitude airfields. Its high-mounted Ivchenko engines give added lift, allowing it to operate from airfields between 13,000 and 15,000 feet above sea level and in temperatures of up to 25 degrees centigrade. The British Aerospace EAP Experimental Aircraft Program Demonstrator was an important contribution to the development of the Eurofighter. The EAP is a single-seat aircraft with a delta wing and active foreplanes. It is powered by two afterburning turbofan engines of 17,000 pounds thrust and incorporates a quadruplex digital fly-by-wire control system. The EAP has reached speeds above Mach 2.